Hello and welcome to CryptoTrends. The early bird gets the worm in the crypto world. As in, astute early adopters can make significant profits by locating projects before they are shilled by crypto investors or promoted in mainstream media. Having said that, discovering early gems in this space is easier said than done. In 2021, the NFT sector saw massive adoption. The introduction of the Metaverse as well as the incorporation of NFTs into them has provided a compelling use case. According to CoinMarketCap, the NFT market has seen sales worth USD 19 billion up until December 3rd, a 29% increase in the last month. Approximately 59% of this is in primary sales. It implies that people discover NFT investments early on and then sell them for a profit. Can all of the NFT projects survive? No, we don't believe so. Only a few will thrive and survive in this environment. The key is to find the right project as soon as possible. In this video, we go over how to spot NFT projects early on so you can buy them before they blow up. We'll also discuss some of the most promising NFT projects right now, as well as what distinguishes them. But before we proceed, if you're new here, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive more videos like this. The first method we're going to look at is use your Twitter. Twitter is the most effective tool for identifying NFT projects early on. The NFT community lives on this platform. As a result, you can see which popular influencers and buyers in the space are interested and following. This is where everyone discusses projects they like and dislike, as well as what they're building, holding, and selling. You can follow along with major names in crypto who are often among the first to follow fresh new NFT creators on Twitter by using follower trackers like Follow Liker. What we displays who a given Twitter account follows, ordered by the most recent follow date, and goes beyond what Twitter displays. Once you've found the right creators, you can search their followers list for other NFT projects they backed or followed. Accounts like Bobby Quinn, for example, use an analytical approach to valuing NFTs, as do accounts with OpenC that have been around since the NFT craze and trade well on conviction. Users can create lists in this case to organize common topics and branch out. Users can also see who interacts with whom and then proceed from there. Finally, you can participate in Twitter conversations to see what the people you follow are thinking in real time. Number 2 on this list is use Nansenai. One of the most logical ways to identify NFT gems is through true analytical data. As a result, Nansen makes the power available to its users. Nansen collects buyer data from OpenC and organizes it into easy-to-understand graphs and analytics. Users can see where their smart money is going or what the market's most powerful buyers are buying and holding. You can also set alerts to notify you when specific wallets mint or when a new collection is purchased. You can also see what the most popular groups are each week. Next, use Discord. You can cut through the noise. Discord is an even better tool than Twitter for finding NFT gems. Every project, community, or influencer has its Discord server with varying levels of participation. Similarly, if you can find servers with close-knit communities that openly discuss new projects, servers like Free Mint Club will make announcements about upcoming free mints. There are also servers dedicated to individual NFT collections. You'll also be able to connect to the OpenC server and communicate with the original OpenC minters. You'll also find the Cool Cat server where you can communicate with Cool Cat's developers. Finally, the best way to learn about what the community is buying and selling is to interact, and there is no better way to interact than through Discord. The fourth method is to use OpenC tools. Another strategy is to use the tools provided by OpenC and other websites. Using Twitter, Discord, and other tools, you can find hot or trending collections and track their activity in OpenC. This is a no-cost and simple option. Locate the collection and select the Activity tab. You can view minute-by-minute transactions as well as statistics such as the average price, owners, and more. You can also manually monitor all OpenC activities. Simply select Stats, Activity, and then sort by chain. Users can also keep an eye out for trends, high sales, and recurring collections. And if you spend enough time on OpenC, you will begin to recognize almost every collection. Finally, users will be able to monitor trends of sales, scooping up rares from a collection to detect early signs of a trending collection. Furthermore, you can keep an eye out for recurring collections in the feed to see how the entire community is progressing. Use Ryze Solutions. Ryze NFT is an expensive but powerful tool for locating and acting on undervalued NFTs. Before being adapted for NFTs, Ryze Solutions was a secret tool. The NFT extension provides users with access to a plethora of extremely powerful tools. Among these tools are the following: Rarity Sniffer. This allows you to see rarity rankings right on OpenC. Mint snipping tools, allowing you to automatically mint from the contract the second a mint opens, helping you skip over any gas war. And the OpenC Sniper allows you to set a max price to sweep floors on underpriced NFTs. As a result, Ryze automatically monitors this collection, and if anyone posts well below the floor looking for quick liquidity, Ryze notifies you so that you can buy it right away. In addition, Ryze sells access to this tool as an NFT, available for 0.94 ETH plus a monthly subscription fee of 0.0 ETH. For 3.89 ETH, you can get a lifetime subscription. At the very least, because the subscription is in the form of an NFT, you can sell it on OpenC at any time. The sixth method we will be looking at is use the roadmap. The roadmap map is one of the most important documents made available to the public for almost every project. This is a list of upcoming project events, drops, and important dates. One of the most telling aspects of a successful NFT project is a roadmap. If you are investing in a project for a long term, you should look for a roadmap with strong long-term events. Furthermore, roadmaps that contain a plethora of unrealistic short-term promises are red flags. These are frequently used to inflate the price before a rug pull. These assurances take the form of free airdrops, tokens, benefits, and other perks. As a result, sniffing out these red flags, usually in conjunction with anonymous price, floor-oriented devs, is critical in locating rug pulls. A roadmap, on the other hand, is a collection guide to the future. Deciphering these guides and discovering new innovative roadmaps is also critical to identifying the most profitable NFT projects. Finally, a roadmap is usually available on the project's website or social media, and it should be one of the first things you look at before investing in a new collection. The next one may seem obvious, but not quite as you think. Next, use NFT Calendar. The NFT Calendar is the go-to place for all upcoming NFT drops. Projects submit to be featured on the site, and a list of upcoming NFT mints is regularly published. This is now a very crowded list. Anyone can submit an entry to be featured on the NFT Calendar. Keep in mind that sellers can even pay to have their projects pushed to the top of the list. This is an excellent website to use as a starting point for your research. It's free and constantly updated, so you can use it at any time to do your mints for the week's research. In addition, NFT Calendar places all of the project's links on each page, allowing you to use it to supplement your research. Furthermore, users can go to their Twitter page and see how many users are engaging with their tweets. Users can also navigate to their Discord to see what kind of community they have and how involved they are. Finally, users can manage the website to determine whether or not this is an appealing, new, and innovative project. If the project meets any of the above criteria, try to get on the project's whitelist or prepare to mint. Use rarity tools. Users can also access their Discord server to see what kind of community they have and how involved they are. Finally, users can use the website to determine whether this is an appealing, new, and innovative project. If the project meets any of the above criteria, try to get on its whitelist or get ready to mint. Furthermore, Rarity Tools is excellent for locating underpriced rares in a collection. Simply select the group of interest. Users can also set the filter to buy now, and Rarity will populate the site with an ordered list of purchasable NFTs from the collection along with their prices. Determine your price range and you may be able to find a good deal. This is not, however, a foolproof strategy for buying and selling NFTs. Some sellers base their prices on their feelings about the collection rather than its actual value. To find the recommended floor price for each trait, click on it. Use this to set the price of your NFTs for sale, or look for NFTs listed below the suggested floor price for a quick flip. Finally, because this is a free tool, much of the work must be done manually. As a result, tools like Ryze automatically monitor this activity and provide alerts and notifications based on your inputs. Lastly, look at the project. Finally, the most important aspect of locating valuable NFT projects is to examine the project for yourself. To begin, you must invest in projects that interest you. Buying what everyone else is buying or what the trends indicate will result in anxiety-induced paper hands and poor decision-making. You'll be able to sit through some of the bad days if you invest in projects that you understand and are interested in. Trading based on what everyone else is doing will leave you with illiquid JPEGs. In addition, users must examine the project to determine what distinguishes this collection from others on the market. As a result, while using this tool to see what everyone else is buying is useful to make money long-term in this market, and must understand why people are buying. As you progress, you'll be able to identify trends and categories before these websites do. These websites should be used to confirm or deny your hypothesis. Spending quality time reviewing projects and determining what works and what doesn't can help you become a successful NFT trader. And that concludes today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and turn on the notification bell if you want to see more videos like this. While you're here, check out one of the other 2 videos on your screen, and we'll see you later.